1. Which of the following is a large blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart? A. Vein. B. Artery. C. Capillary. D. Nerve. Answer is B. Artery. Explanation. The pulmonary artery carries blood from the right side of the heart to the lungs to pick up a fresh supply of oxygen. 2. Which of the following is not a member of the vitamin B complex? A. Thiamine. B. Riboflavin. C. Folic acid. D. Ascorbic acid. Answer is D. Ascorbic acid. Explanation. Vitamin B complex consists of 8 vitamins, namely B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12. 3. Which organ of the body produces the fluid known as bile? A. Liver. B. Pancreas. C. The gall bladder. D. Kidney. Answer is A. Liver. Explanation. Liver produces a digestive fluid known as bile. Liver releases bile into gall bladder, a small, pear-shaped organ located just below your liver in the upper right side of your abdomen. 4. What makes a reptile a reptile? A. Cold-blooded. B. Warm-blooded. C. Non-hearing. D. Egg-laying. Answer is D. Egg-laying. Explanation. Reptiles' skin is covered with hard, dry scales and most reptiles lay eggs. Those animals which are cold-blooded don't automatically maintain a constant body temperature. They have to lay out their eggs in the sun to keep their body warm. 5. Which blood vessels have the smallest diameter? A. Capillaries. B. Arterioles. C. Venules. D. Lymphatic. Answer is A. Capillaries. Explanation. Blood is carried through the body by blood vessels. With the help of perfusion process, capillaries supply blood to the tissues. The diameter of the capillary ranges from 5 to 10 micrometers. The diameter of the arteriole is approximate 30 micrometer. 6. Which of the following is an airborne disease? A. Measles. B. Typhoid. C. Pink eye. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Measles. Explanation. Airborne diseases are the infections spread by airborne transmissions, including chickenpox, anthrax, influenza, measles, smallpox, cryptococcosis, and tuberculosis. 7. A yellow dust appears on the fingers whenever we touch the middle of a flower. These tiny yellow grains are one of the most precious substances in nature because they contain the secret of plant life. What is this dust called? A. Pollen. B. Sperm. C. Spore. D. Sporocyst. Answer is A. Pollen. Explanation. The yellow powder is called pollen and the stick that holds it is known as stamen. 8. Fungi are plants that lack of A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Chlorophyll. D. None of these. Answer is C. Chlorophyll. Explanation. We know plants prepare their own food and so are known as autotrophs. With the help of photosynthesis, They make food in which they produce glucose from carbon dioxide and sunlight. Oxygen is released by plants, which are further used by humans and other animals. But fungi lack chlorophyll and do not engage in photosynthesis. 9. Which of the following hormones is a steroid? A. Estrogen. B. Glucagon. C. Insulin. D. Oxytocin. Answer is A. Estrogen. Explanation. Steroid hormone is produced by 3 endocrine organs. The testes produce testosterone, the ovaries produce estrogen, and the adrenal cortex produces steroid hormones such as cortisol and aldosterone. Steroid hormones are derived from cholesterol and are lipid-soluble molecules. 10. Which one of the following is not a function of the liver? A. Regulation of blood sugar. B. Enzyme activation. C. Detoxification. D. Reproduction. Answer is D. Reproduction. Explanation. The liver is the body's largest internal organ. It has many functions in the body as it helps in protein synthesis and blood clotting, manufacturing triglycerides and cholesterol, glycogen synthesis, and bile production. It also detoxifies chemicals and metabolizes drugs.